Hello friends, let's learn 1 to 10 counting. 1. Let's spell it. O N E 1. 2. Let's spell it. T W O 1. 2. 3. Let's spell it. T H R E 1. 2. 3. 4. Let's spell it. F O U R 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Let's spell it. F I V E 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Let's spell it. S I X 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Let's spell it. S E V E N 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Let's spell it. E I G H T 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Let's spell it. N I N E 1. 2,
to my Lou, my darling. Flies in the
3,
buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe,
4,
fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe.
5,
To my Lou, my darling.
6,
Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou.
7,
To my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my
8,
skip to my Lou, my darling.
9,
Cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh,
10.
ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Let's spell it.
My darling. Lou,
T,
skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou.
E,
My Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou,
N.
skip to my Lou, my darling.
1, 2, 3, 4,
In the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows
5,
moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture,
6,
moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
7,
Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou,
8,
skip to my Lou, Lou.
9,
To my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
10.